Hey guys, how's it going? Well, what we're going to be talking about today is the PDI Super Sani-Cloth Germicide Disposable Wipes. Yeah, these wipes are very necessary and very, very good. I am a big advocate of keeping things germ-free. Yeah, and these do the job. What they do is they are wipes that resemble kind of like baby wipes that you pull out here, and these wipes actually they sanitize anything that they touch. Like if you want to wipe down, say, your hands or an area, say you're going to give blood or something like that, and you need to wipe the area where the needle's going to go in, like a alcohol wipe would do, or say an area that you need to wipe down, say like a table that you're doing whatever on, like if you want to keep it sanitized, or say like you have a baby that going to be, like say a newborn, and you want to wipe down his place where he's laying, or the utensils or whatever he's using. You could use this, and it really, really works well. And what it does is, okay, you pull it out of the top here, and it tears off like that. And you wipe down whatever you need to wipe, and it gets it nice and sanitary, germ-free. I mean, it kills all the bacteria, all the viruses, any kind of blood-borne pathogens, or anything like that that could potentially harm you if it got inside your body or anything. This is a very good way to keep things sanitized, germ-free. I'm a big advocate of that. Now, this has no fragrance on it. All it does, it smells like straight alcohol. I mean, if you sniffed it, it smells really, really like strong alcohol. Now, if the container is, say, opened like this, you're not going to smell it. You're not going to say, what's that alcohol smell? You're not going to do that. You can only smell it if you actually put it up to your nose and try to smell it. So there's no fragrance involved. This is strictly for cleanliness and desanitizing certain areas. It's not to make things smell pretty or anything like that. It's to wipe down an area that needs to be disinfected. Yeah, from germs, bacteria, anything that could cause bodily harm. So if, say, you had some blood, or like someone sneezed or something on a table or something, you could use some of this and knock it out really good. This is very strong. This is a very strong disinfectant. It's what was used in laboratories, and you can use it at home. It's just really a heavy duty type of desanitizer. So yeah, this will do the job. I mean, it's like using bleach, It's really, really strong, and it really kills everything really a lot. Yeah. So you want to, first and foremost, keep this out of reach of any children, because they could get hurt by using it if they put it in their mouth or something like that. So yeah, this is really good. I've been using this in lots of different areas in my life. I've used this at work. I use it at home. I use it just about everywhere. I even use it in my car sometimes to disinfect and keep it clean, because the steering wheel and the clutch and all that can get pretty gritty and grimy and just not very clean, So yeah, you can use this just about anywhere to keep the bacteria and everything from growing, and viruses. So it's a really good way to do that. All right, well, this is the PDI Super Sani-Cloth, the germicidal disposable wipes. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right? Okay, bye-bye.